Have you ever wanted to run ChatGPT or other AI models completely on your own PC? Without the internet? Without any API keys and totally free? Well, that's exactly what you'll learn in this video. We'll be setting up and running a large language model locally using an amazing tool called LM Studio. Let's get started. The first step is simple. Open your browser and search for LM Studio. Right at the top, you'll see the official website that says Local AI on your computer. That's the one we're looking for. LM Studio lets you run open source AI models directly on your system without needing the cloud. LM Studio is completely open source, which means its code is public and available on GitHub. Next, click on the download button on the LM Studio website. It'll ask you to select your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Choose according to your setup. Once the file downloads, simply install it like any other software. Click Next, Next, and then Finish. After installation, LM Studio will automatically launch on your screen. When it opens for the first time, you'll see a short introduction with some handy shortcuts. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice all the main tools. Chat for interacting with your models, downloads for managing updates, developer and explore for advanced users. At the bottom left, you can select your user mode, such as power user or developer mode. Before you do anything else, go to the Downloads tab. Here, LM Studio automatically checks and updates all the required dependencies. Now, this is where the fun begins. Click on the Explore button. This is LM Studio's model marketplace, where you can find all kinds of open source AI models. You'll see popular ones like ChatGPT O, SS, QN, IBM Granite, and many others. Each model is built differently. Some are optimized for speed, some for accuracy, and some for creative tasks. You can download any model based on your preferences and your computer's hardware capabilities. If you're unsure which model will run best on your PC, here's a quick tip. Ask ChatGPT or any online AI helper by sharing your system specs, like CPU, GPU, and RAM. It'll recommend the ideal model that fits your device. For this tutorial, we'll go with Qwen 34B, a 4 billion parameter model that gives an excellent balance between speed and intelligence. Click Download, and once it finishes, you'll find it under the My Models section. From the My Models tab, you can adjust tone and behavior settings, change system prompts, or even delete models if you don't need them anymore. This makes LM Studio flexible. You can manage multiple AI models for different types of work, like coding, chatting, or research. Now let's actually run the model. Go to the Chat section, and at the top, you'll see an option saying Select Model to Load. Click that, choose your downloaded model, Qwen 34B, and let it load. Once loaded, you can open the Settings option at the top right corner to add custom instructions, like telling the model how to respond, change appearance themes, or adjust the temperature and creativity of responses. Now it's time to see it in action. Type a simple message like, "Hi Qwen," and you'll instantly get a friendly response. Next, try something technical. For example, give me a nested loop code for the PIC18F4550 microcontroller. After thinking for a few seconds, the model generates the correct code, along with clear instructions on how to use it. That's real AI computing happening locally, right on your system. LM Studio also allows you to upload files directly, useful if you want your model to read or analyze documents. However, keep in mind that the speed and response time depend heavily on your hardware. Better hardware means faster responses and smoother multitasking. If you're running this on a mid-range laptop, models like Qwen 3B or Mistral 7B are ideal. But if you have a GPU with good VRAM, you can go for more advanced ones like Llama 3 or Mixtral. To wrap it up, LM Studio gives you the power to run AI models locally and work without any internet limits or API costs. You can explore, download, test, and even fine-tune models all from one simple interface. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and subscribe to Aura Tech for more practical AI and tech videos. Comment below which model you'd like to see tested next, and I'll make a full comparison video between them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.